scientists discovered the mysterious reason why these ancient civilizations suddenly vanished. Throughout history, great civilizations have risen to incredible heights, only to disappear seemingly without a trace. The sudden decline or disappearance of these societies has puzzled historians, archaeologists, and scientists for centuries. What could cause thriving communities, some with advanced technology and impressive cultural achievements, to collapse so abruptly? Recent scientific discoveries are shedding new light on these mysteries, revealing complex interactions between natural disasters, environmental changes, socio-political upheaval, and even pandemics as potential culprits. Let us explore some of these lost civilizations and the fascinating theories that may explain their sudden vanishing. 1. The Mayan civilization. The ancient Maya, renowned for their monumental architecture, advanced astronomy, and intricate calendar systems, flourished in Mesoamerica between 250 and 900 CE. By the end of the 9th century, many of their cities were abandoned, leading to the so-called Classic Maya collapse. For years, this phenomenon baffled researchers, but recent evidence points to a combination of environmental and socio-political factors. Scientists studying sediment cores from lakes near ancient Maya cities discovered evidence of prolonged droughts during this period. Tree ring analysis and isotope data revealed that rainfall decreased significantly, causing water reservoirs to dry up and agriculture to fail. Coupled with evidence of overpopulation and deforestation, the environmental strain likely led to resource scarcity and internal conflict. Civil wars and weakened city-states further contributed to the collapse. Despite their decline in the southern lowlands, the Maya did not disappear entirely. Northern cities like Chichen Itza and Uxmal persisted for centuries, suggesting that the collapse was regional rather than universal. The Mayan story highlights how environmental changes and human activities can intertwine to destabilize a civilization. 2. The Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, also known as the Harappan civilization, thrived around 2600 to 1900 BCE in present-day Pakistan and northwest India. Known for its well-planned cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, the Indus people developed advanced drainage systems, standardized weights and measures, and a script that remains undeciphered. Yet, by 1900 BCE, their urban centers were abandoned, and their culture dissipated. Recent studies suggest climate change played a pivotal role. Geological evidence indicates that the monsoon patterns, which provided water for agriculture, shifted significantly. The once mighty Sarasvati River, believed to have been central to their civilization, dried up due to tectonic shifts and declining rainfall. As water sources dwindled, agricultural yields plummeted, forcing communities to disperse into smaller, rural settlements. In addition to environmental factors, researchers hypothesized that economic pressures, changing trade routes, and possible invasions may have exacerbated the decline. However, no definitive evidence of widespread conflict has been found, making the mystery of the Indus Valley's disappearance even more intriguing. 3. The ancestral Puebloans, Anasazi. The ancestral Puebloans, or Anasazi, were a Native American culture that inhabited the Four Corners region of the United States, building impressive cliff dwellings and settlements like those at Mesa Verde and Chaco Canyon. Their society reached its zenith between 900 and 1300 CE, but by the late 13th century, these sites were abandoned. Dendrochronology, or tree ring analysis, has provided clues about their disappearance. A severe and prolonged drought struck the region during this time, making agriculture increasingly untenable. Corn, a staple crop, could not grow without sufficient water. Furthermore, evidence of deforestation and soil erosion suggests that the Puebloans may have overexploited their natural resources. Social factors also played a role. As resources became scarce, tensions likely arose between neighboring communities, leading to violence and migrations. Archaeological findings, including defensive structures and remains indicating conflict, support this theory. Many descendants of the ancestral Puebloans, such as the Hopi and Zuni tribes, maintain oral histories that speak of migrations due to environmental and social upheavals. 4. The Rapa Nui, Easter Island, civilization. Easter Island, or Rapa Nui, is famous for its enigmatic moai statues, which stand as a testament to the ingenuity of its ancient inhabitants. The Rapa Nui civilization is believed to have settled the island around 1200 CE, reaching its peak population of about 15,000 before declining precipitously in the 17th century. For years, scholars debated the cause of this decline. Early theories blamed ecocide, the overuse of natural resources leading to deforestation, soil degradation, and eventual societal collapse. Recent research, however, suggests a more complex picture. Pollen analysis confirms that deforestation did occur, likely exacerbated by the introduction of Polynesian rats, which consumed tree seeds and hindered regrowth. Moreover, contact with European explorers in the 18th century brought diseases, slave raids, and cultural disruption, further devastating the Rapa Nui population. The decline of the Rapa Nui serves as a cautionary tale about the fragility of isolated ecosystems and the interplay between environmental and external human factors. 5. The Akkadian Empire. The Akkadian Empire, established around 2300 BCE in Mesopotamia, is often regarded as the world's first empire, uniting diverse city-states under Sargon of Akkad's rule. However, by 2200 BCE, this powerful empire had disintegrated, its cities abandoned. Paleoclimatological studies provide compelling evidence that a severe drought, part of the so-called 4.2 kilo-year event, played a critical role. Analysis of sediment cores from ancient lakes and riverbeds indicates a significant reduction in rainfall during this period, leading to widespread agricultural failure. With crops failing and food supplies dwindling, famine and internal rebellions likely destabilized the empire. Additionally, records from neighboring regions describe invasions by nomadic groups, such as the Gutians, who may have taken advantage of the weakened state of Akkad. This combination of environmental stress and external pressures underscores how even the most powerful empires can crumble under the right conditions. 6. The Minoan civilization. The Minoans, an advanced Bronze Age civilization centered on Crete, are often credited as Europe's first advanced society. Flourishing between 1300 and 1450 BCE, the Minoans developed impressive palaces, intricate art, and an extensive trade network. However, around 1450 BCE, their civilization suffered a catastrophic collapse. One leading theory attributes their decline to a massive volcanic eruption on the nearby island of Thera, modern-day Santorini. This eruption, one of the largest in recorded history, would have caused widespread devastation. Tsunamis generated by the eruption likely destroyed Minoan coastal settlements, while ashfall disrupted agriculture and the local climate. Archaeological evidence also points to invasions by Mycenaeans from mainland Greece, who may have taken advantage of the weakened state of the Minoans. The interplay of natural disasters and human conflict highlights the vulnerabilities of even the most advanced civilizations. 7. The Cahokia civilization. Cahokia, located near modern-day St. Louis, Missouri, was the largest pre-Columbian settlement north of Mexico, reaching its peak around 1050 to 1200 CE. The city boasted monumental earthworks, a complex social hierarchy, and extensive trade networks. Yet by 1350 CE, Cahokia was largely abandoned. Environmental factors, including deforestation and flooding, likely played a significant role in its decline. Pollen analysis shows that intensive agriculture and deforestation degraded the land, while evidence of increased flooding in the Mississippi River Valley suggests climatic instability. Social unrest may have further exacerbated the collapse. Signs of violence, including mass graves and defensive structures, suggest that internal conflicts or external threats contributed to the decline. The mystery of Cahokia underscores the complex interplay of environmental and societal factors in the rise and fall of civilizations. The common threads. The stories of these vanished civilizations reveal recurring themes that transcend time and geography. Environmental changes, such as droughts, deforestation, and volcanic eruptions, frequently emerge as critical factors. However, these natural challenges often intersect with human decisions over exploitation of resources, political strife, and warfare to create cascading effects that lead to societal collapse. Moreover, the suddenness of these collapses often reflects the fragility of complex societies. When key systems, such as food production or governance, are disrupted, the consequences can ripple outward, destabilizing entire civilizations. Modern implications. The lessons of these ancient civilizations are particularly relevant in the modern era. Today, humanity faces global challenges, including climate change, deforestation, and political instability, which mirror the factors that contributed to past collapses. Understanding the mistakes and vulnerabilities of these ancient societies can offer valuable insights into building resilience and sustainability in the face of future crises. The disappearance of these civilizations serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and the environment. As scientists continue to uncover the secrets of these lost worlds, their findings provide not only answers to historical mysteries but also warnings for the present and future. Will modern societies heed these lessons, or are we destined to repeat the cycles of history? Only time will tell.